what's up? What's up? Okay, so we're about to get on this boat ride and go to Ilashe where we're gonna go on a workshop with the photography guru himself, Emmanuel Oyeleke. So there's a lot of us photographers and this is going to be crazy. So right across from me, right over there is Emmanuel. What's up, Emmanuel? Alright, and then you have BemYoda and you have Dollar Posh. I have Ibidunni. Alright, so just stick around and we're gonna have fun. So Emmanuel just lost his hat. Like once the boat went fast, he lost his hat and now we got it back.
Not stop.
We're here, right by the water, and there's Dollar. So yeah, we're about to go into the lodge and settle in and stuff. Catch you guys later, alright? So just checking in. The class that we just had was the first practical we did. Where Emmanuel took all our photos with light, showed us a different way of lighting. It was actually his first time of using that setting. It was near perfect. So after this class, we're going to dive in the pool, jump on the volleyball courts, just go crazy, go wild. Because I mean, this is a getaway at the same time. So just keeping you guys updated and see you in the next scene. All right. Alright, so this is Tosin Junaid.
And this is Tokumbo.
And this is me.
That's Ami.
Yeah, man.
Tosin just taught me how to swim. Like,
Well, I think you're better than me already because you've been pulling some moves, man.
I think I've been trying.
wash. Oh, now wash. But yeah, these are some badass photographers.
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie.
And that's Ibidunni, badass filmmaker.
Badass guy.
But yeah, we're having fun.
Yeah.
Crazy swim moves and
Man,
stuff.
don't swim.
Diver, non-diver, learner swimmer, good stuff. All right, see you guys inside, right? Hey yo, what's up? Okay, so I'm here with Dollar, aka Dollar Posh, aka Never Ever Ever Dollar Po. Her name is
Ibidunni, yes.
aka Dollar Posh.
Yes.
She will freak out if you call her Dollar Po. Like, she nearly killed someone yesterday.
Yeah.
Nearly.
I threw the
We all had to be
ball.
like, please, no, don't
Oh,
kill me,
no, it's exaggerated.
Yeah, anyway, so here we're still here at Tales by Light by Emmanuel Oyeleke.
Yep.
And Dola Posh also vlogs, so I'm going to link her channel somewhere here and down also in the description. But so Dola Posh.
Somebody wants to die.
Dola.
Somebody wants to die.
Yeah, suicide by Dola.
I'm joking.
All right, so Dola, tell us what we've experienced so far. This is just day 2. So
Yeah.
what have you experienced so far?
To be honest, I didn't expect it to go like this good. All I wanted was cocktails, the breeze, to just enjoy myself really.
Yeah.
To just enjoy myself really. But to be honest, the class and talking about business of photography and lights and all of that has been so interesting. It's opened my mind more. And then we had this thing yesterday night, like a meditation. More like a meditation, and it was just really good. It just made me feel at peace and positive. And being around this creative genius, Tokumbo, and
me?
the rest.
Me?
Yes, you.
Okay.
And the rest of my new friends here has really helped me and opened my mind too. And I cannot trade that for anything in the world.
Yeah. So another thing I love is that apart from the fact that we're all learning, we are relaxing. It's kind of like a workshop where you're just playing and having fun.
Yeah.
Even though you're still learning.
Yeah.
So we've played volleyball. I've coached everyone on volleyball.
Thanks for coaching us, because this is what I do. I'm so terrible. I'm so terrible.
We've swum, we've waded in the water.
Yeah.
We
The
last
beach.
night we had games night and we're playing Articulate.
Oh, that was so fun.
So
We won.
And this is just
I
one
won.
night. This is just one night. So
Yeah.
it's been fun and this is what it is so far. So ladies and gentlemen, Dola Posh.
Thank you very much.
All right, and so we'll talk with a few more people as we go along. Wait for it.
Peace.
Okie dokie. So I'm here with Emmanuel, the convener of Tales by Lights. The reason we're all here, the master himself, the guy who came to show us all the tricks in the books.
It's even nothing without you, so thank you guys for coming. I know it's tough sometimes, but we just have to take breaks sometime and then reconnect and just chill, pretty much.
Yep. Actually, that's what I love the most about this whole workshop. The fact that we had to chill. It wasn't just learning the entire time. We got to chill by the beach. We got to play volleyball a lot. We got to swim. We got to just play games.
Yeah, it was different.
A pretty dope time. All the time I've known Emmanuel, it's been in a working relationship, in the capacity of a working relationship. Always that, always working, but for the first time we got to just chill and have fun and learn at the same time.
It's
so
important,
that's the very important thing.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank
So
you
Emmanuel,
guys.
Thanks.
Bye.
Before we left Ilashare just a few minutes ago, I asked everyone to tell me one word that perfectly describes this last weekend to them, and these are the answers.
Fun.
Enlightening.
Elating.
Renewing.
Fulfilling.
Amazing!
Inspiring.
Explosive.
Awesome. Perfect.
Eye-opening.
Inspiring.
Refreshing. Phenomenal.
Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. This was fun. This was a great weekend for me and for everyone else I've seen. It was really satisfying for me. That's my one word. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. But before I sign out, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it with someone, and of course to subscribe. Hit the bell button just so you get notification every time I post, whenever that is, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for staying to the end, and I love you guys. See you in the next video. All right.